Hello everyone, welcome to this new series dedicated to AP Precalculus. My name is Rami and I'm excited to guide you through some key concepts and problems that you will encounter on the AP Precalculus exam. In this series, we will break down various AP Precalculus questions step by step, making complex topics easier to understand. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to reinforce your skills, this series is designed to help you feel confident and prepared. So let's dive in and start tackling those AP Precalculus problems together. Once you open the Blue Book application and sign in using your College Board student account, you will then navigate to the Practice and Prepare section. From there, you can access a variety of test previews and practice materials to help you get ready. Our question is, the depth of water in feet at a certain place in a lake is modeled by a function w. The graph of y equals w of t. So here y, which equals to w of t. This graph is w of t. Is shown for t greater than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to 30, where t is the number of days since the first day of a month. The question is, what are all intervals of t on which the depth of water is increasing at a decreasing rate? Let us just discuss the question together. So here is t, which represents the day, the day of the month, as you can see here, just for 1 month. And here's t, which represents the day. Here's day number 3 of any month. And w of t is the depth of the water. Imagine you have a lake filled with water, and you have a ruler in feet from day number 1. The depth, you can say that at the instant of installation this ruler, the depth of the water was 2 feet. Day number 3, the depth of the water was 3 feet. So you go to this lake at day number 3 and you read the ruler here, measures 3 feet. Day number 6 here, the depth of the water was 4 feet. And also important, at day number 18, the depth of the water was, if you just go here, it was 1 feet. You can see it's just go down at day number 18, which is the least amount of water at the lake at that day. What we are looking for. So this is just an introduction how to understand this question, that we have a graph which represents the depth of the water along 1 month. Those are the days of that month. It's increasing and decreasing the water in the lake, and also it comes up increasing. The question is, what are all intervals of t on which the depth of the water is increasing? We are looking for increasing, at a decreasing rate. Okay, here is the question. At a decreasing rate. This is requirement number 1, and this is the second requirement. From the graph, from day or the instant of the installation of the ruler at that lake until it reached to the 6 days, this one, as you can see here, there will be increasing in the water or the depth of the water at that lake. So this is lake. And also from the day number 18 until day number 30, there will be increasing, as you can see. From day number, or from 0 to 6, there will be increasing of the amount of the water inside the lake. Also from day number 18 until 30, there will be also increasing of the amount of water inside that lake. And here, interval from day number 6 to day number 18, there will be decreasing of water. That is not requirement. Let us look together for our choices. Do we have an interval from 6 ending with 18? So we can eliminate. Unfortunately, in the choices, we don't have interval starting with the 6 and ending with 18, which represent decreasing of the amount of water inside that lake. We have this interval from 0 to 6 and interval from 18 to 30. We have now the first requirement, decreasing rate. When we are talking about a decreasing rate, we are talking about concave up and concave down. This is concave up, and this shape of the polynomial is concave down. That means decreasing rate, and here is concave up means increasing rate. What we are looking for is decreasing rate. This is what we are looking for. Let us look for our choices. From 0 to 3, we have this interval is concave up. And here, this is increasing concave down. And from 18 to 30, it's concave up. It is concave up, which means concave up. So our choice, increasing. If you just look 3 to 6, it is increasing of the amount of water inside the lake, but in a decreasing rate. So this is what we are looking for. Our interval is 3 to 6. So this is our answer. And that's how we complete solving this question. I hope you found some new insights and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your colleagues and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.